Hello everyone, welcome to Organic Tech. So today I will show you how to change background of an image using the most common photo editing tool, Picsart. So without any further delay, let's get started. So first of all, we'll open an image in which we want to change the background. Next, we'll go to the free crop option over here and we'll hit the automatic photo detection button here. Then we will work a little on the edges which the automatic free crop couldn't recognize. After that, we'll simply save it. And it will move to the stickers list. So now we'll open the picture which we want to make the background of the previously cropped picture. And now we'll go to the sticker option over here and go for the cutouts. We'll get the foreground cutout as a sticker. We'll click on it and it will come over here. After that, we'll adjust the size to make it more realistic. We can erase the extra pixels using the erase option as below. We can also change the size of the brush as per our requirement. After completing this, just click the tick above. So our picture is ready. Then we can make some adjustments to the colors to make it more smoother and real. After that, we can also add some lens flares like this one to enhance the color of the picture. I think it's fine here. So here it goes. We can crop the extra exposure over here by using the crop option. And then we shall apply some effects which makes it more realistic. I'm choosing this one. I am choosing this one as it is going good with this picture. And we shall make little adjustments over here for perfection. And then we can give the final touch to the picture by making little adjustments over here. And here we go, our picture is ready.